Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. In this video, we're going to show you how to put a Selflok off-stud joiner on. As with all Weathertex, we want 100mm ground clearance to sealed ground. We want 600 stud setters maximum and vapor permeable sarking put on the wall. When you put the joiners on themselves, we want them to be staggered. We don't want them to appear straight above each other on the wall. As with Weathertex as well, if you cut the board, you do need to reprime it. So a water-based tannin blocking primer is fantastic. If you're using dark paint colours, it's also better even just to paint the edge of the boards before they go into the joiner. When installing the joins themselves, it is nice to be able to come in on an angle if you can. It'll allow the board to go into the joiner better. There's also nibs on the inside of the joins themselves. Don't force the board past those nibs, they can just sit softly against them. Once you've got to that stage, all you now need to do is paint and you're done. The joiners themselves will take paint, they don't need to be primed.